Have you ever considered what could happen to the body when heterologous proteins are introduced? It's a fascinating, albeit slightly unnerving journey that the human body undertakes to protect itself. Let's delve into a case to understand this better. Picture this: a 25-year-old male, bitten by a stray dog 2 weeks prior, walks into a doctor's office. His complaints? Headache, fever, and pain in various joints, including his hands, shoulders, feet, ankles, and knees. Upon examination, the doctor notes a generalized urticarial rash without mucosal involvement. Temperature is 37.8°C. Now, it's important to note that this young man had received a rabies shot 2 weeks ago, right after the dog bite. But something else is going on here. Lab results are in. They show mild leukocytosis. His renal and liver functions are normal. The labs also revealed that he is negative for hepatitis and Epstein-Barr virus, or EBV. So what's causing the illness? What's the mechanism behind it? Is it A, IgG-binding cell surface protein? Or perhaps it's B, IgE-binding antigen, which could suggest an allergic reaction? Could it be C, complement fixation, a part of the immune response where certain proteins aid in destroying bacteria? Maybe it's D, T-cell mediated, which would indicate a cellular immune response. Or finally, could it be E, a specific antigen, antibody ratio, which might suggest an imbalance in the immune response? The answer to this question will help us understand the underlying mechanism of the illness and subsequently the best approach to treatment. To summarize, we've explored a case of a 25-year-old male with a recent rabies vaccination due to dog bite, presenting with various symptoms including fever, joint pain, and hives. Lab results showed mild leukocytosis but normal renal function and no signs of hepatitis or EBV. We've also discussed possible mechanisms causing the illness, including IgG-binding cell surface protein, IgE-binding antigen, complement fixation, T-cell mediated response, and a specific antigen antibody ratio. Understanding the human body's response to such incidents is not only fascinating but crucial in medical diagnosis and treatment. Remember, the body is an intricate machine, and every response, every symptom is a piece of the puzzle. And it's your job to put that puzzle together.